Roo Code code actions provide instant access to AI assistance directly through VS Code's built-in quick fix system. This integrates Roo Code's autonomous capabilities into your immediate workflow without requiring you to switch contexts or manually copy-paste code. To utilize this, highlight a specific section of your code within the editor. You will see the standard VS Code lightbulb icon appear next to the selection. Clicking this reveals the available Roo Code actions. The first option is Add to Roo Code. This extracts the selected code and inserts it directly into the Roo Code chat input. It does not execute a command immediately. Instead, it queues the snippet as context, ready for you to type a specific custom instruction in your next request. The next option is Explain with Roo Code. Selecting this automatically initializes a new task. Roo Code will analyze the specific selection and return a detailed natural language explanation of the logic and functionality. Following that is Improve with Roo Code. This triggers a refactoring task. Roo Code will review the selected block and implement suggestions for optimization, readability, or best practices directly in the file. If your code contains a syntax error or a bug, indicated by a red underline, you will see an additional option, Fix with Roo Code. Selecting this starts a targeted task to debug and resolve the specific error found on that line. Roo Code also grants you full control over the system instructions that drive these actions. To customize them, navigate to the Settings menu and select the Prompts tab. From the drop-down menu, choose the specific action you wish to modify. You can then edit the system prompt in the text box to tailor exactly how Roo approaches that task. Once you save these changes, the quick fix actions will behave according to your custom logic. With Roo Code, you can leverage these actions to streamline your editing process and customize the prompts to fit your specific development standards. Try them out and let us know your thoughts.